Performance number 3. The Reading is Fun Challenge. Come on, let's read together. Sound me. A, V, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, K, R, S, T, U, U, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z. Let's read the basic sight words. A, and, we, so, the, is, on, of, are, in, you, if, at, the. Next is the CVC words. An, man, pan, tan, can, en, pen, ten, hen, man. It words. Bit, lit, hit, pit. Upwards. Cup, hop, pop, mop. Onwards. Bon, fawn, ron, sun. Halina't magbasa. Pusa, pera, goro, puso, peso, daga, pala, goma, bebe, baba. I hope you like my reading. Bye-bye.